6.4 Home Sweet Home. Mid pleasures and palaces, though we may roam, but it ever so humble, there is no place like home. A charm from the sky seems to hallow us there, which seek through the world is never met with elsewhere. Home, home, sweet, sweet home, there is no place like home, oh, there is no place like home. The poet John Howard Payne glorifies his home here. He says, "There are so many pleasures and there are so many fantastic places through which we can roam. We get pleasure that time, but there is no place like home. In our home, we feel that there are many positive waves or holy persons are staying here. We feel very nice at home and we don't get such calmness and coolness in the world elsewhere. So home is like home only, it's always a sweet home, there is no place like home. An exile from home, splendor dazzles in vain. Oh, give me my lowly thatched cottage again, the birds singing gaily that come at my call. Give me them and the peace of mind, dearer than all. Home, home, sweet, sweet home, there is no place like home, oh, there is no place like home." The poet, who spent long periods of time away from home, pours his loneliness into this poem. He said, "When I am away from home for a long time because of the work, in that time I had seen so many brilliant and impressive things, but they are all in vain, they are not at all important. The important thing is only one, that is my lowly thatched cottage, that is my only simple house. There are birds who are singing pleasantly and they give joy to me, they sing with me, and therefore I get a peace of mind there, and which is dearer to me above all things. So these are the things which I get only at my sweet home. So there is no place like home, there is no place like sweet, sweet home. I gaze on the moon as I treat the drear wild, and feel that my mother now thinks of her child, as she looks on that moon from our own cottage door, through the wood brine whose fragrance shall cheer me no more. Home, home, sweet, sweet home, there is no place like home, oh, there is no place like home." The poet says, because of the work, when I go away from the home and when I cross through the jungles or forest or difficult roads, every time while walking, when I look at the moon, I remember my mother. I know she must be looking at the moon at the same time and thinking of her child, that is, she is thinking about me. She looks on that moon from our cottage door, and my cottage door is surrounded by a climbing vine. But here, when I see that type of climbing vine, its fragrance doesn't give me any joy. Because I am away from my sweet, sweet home, there is no place like my home. How sweet it is to sit beneath a fond father's smile and the caress of a mother to soothe and beguile. Let others delight mid new pleasures to roam, but give me, oh give me, the pleasures of home. Home, home, sweet, sweet home, there is no place like home, oh, there is no place like home. When I remember my father and my father's smile, it gives me such a soothing effect. And at the same time, I remember the affectionate stroke of my mother to divert my attention. It is also so loving and so charming. Let other people enjoy the new pleasures of life, and for that let them roam all around the world. But give me the pleasure of home, because there is no place like my home, my sweet home. To thee I will return, overburdened with care. The heart's dearest solace will smile on me there. No more from that cottage again will I roam. Be it ever so humble, there is no place like home. Home, home, sweet, sweet home. There is no place like home. Oh, there is no place like home. The poet is missing his home so badly that he says when he will return from home, overburdened because of the responsibilities, the heart's discomfort will get soothed when he sees his sweet home smiling at him. That time he decides that I will not go out of this cottage for any work or for any gains, because this is very important for me, and proudly I can say that there is no place like home, like my sweet home, there is no place like home.